Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Miss Kanat Akram. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Inshallah. Alhamdulillah, I am fit. Okay, my dear students, I will teach you something new today. Pre-KG2, what is this? Do you know what is this? Okay, first of all, please tell me what is the last letter of alphabet? Yes, you are correct. That is Z. That is Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. First of all, we sing a rhyme. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this. My dear students, okay, now I will tell you the formation of Z sound. Here is the finger phonic book. Look here, my dear students, where is Z sound? Where is Z sound? And where is Z? Z. Look here. Here is the Z. Start from the point. Go, comes down, 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 go straight. This is Z. Z says Z. Busy bee. My dear students, here is a busy bee. Busy bee. Z. Z. Okay, my dear students, here are some vocabulary words of Z sound. Look here. This is zebra. Z says Z. Z is for zebra. And Z is for zip. And look here. What is this? This is zero. 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 Okay, my dear students, now I'll tell you again formation of Z sound. Start from the point, go straight, comes down, go straight. This is Z. Z says Z. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, we have learned Z says Z sound. Okay, we will meet in our next video. Till Allah Hafiz.